What's the easiest website builder to use? Aaron Garay says, a website builder is a DIY apparatus that permits a client to develop a site utilizing pre-made formats, without planning it or compose the actual code. Website builder offer a wide range of configuration formats from which to browse. Top developers include many choices, so observing the one that suits your requirements shouldn't be troublesome. From that point you can add gadgets and plan components to your site to tweak the layout. Massweb is one of our record-breaking top choices, and it's not difficult to see the reason why. The usability of their site manager is as yet unequaled, most likely the simplest website builder. Website builder are accessible as on the web in disconnected stages. The contrast between the two is basic. A disconnected website builder is a program that permits you to fabricate your site through a stage downloaded on your PC, versus doing everything through your program. Benjamin Braganza says, basically, any website builder helps you get online quickly and ensures your customers can search for your brand name and do business with you. Unlike most websites which are time-consuming, with an immediate purchase process, the website builder has built-in mechanisms that allow you to quickly design your website and get online without compromising on technical, security, aesthetic, and web hosting requirements. With that in mind, I have had a much better experience with website developer Bluehost India if getting online fast is your priority. It starts out really cheap and is great for e-commerce sites too. You don't need to go to another stock library because their website builder has one with 100+ images from different niches, various topics, and most importantly, drag and drop feature. I suggest you check it out before buying their package. Hope this helps, smiley face. John Bauer says, Friday is one of the best website builders around, letting anyone build a mobile-friendly website in just a few minutes. With easy drag and drop interface, you can create a unique website with your own professional look and feel without any technical skills or previous experience. Their website builder is the standout here. Head over to their homepage and use their integrated builder to make a fully functional site in just a few minutes, then add your own domains, images, and design elements to customize it further. Create a website for your business, blog, or portfolio with this fast and easy-to-use platform. Friday works very well for small business owners. It's perfect if you need a low-cost website builder for you or your business. Adding pages and content is as easy as filling in fields or clicking to upload your own images. You can preview how your site will look on all major mobile devices, and even submit it for SEO, search engine optimization. Thanks for watching our video on, what's the easiest website builder to use?